पाकिस्तान अलग थलग पड़ चुका है, अकेला पड़ चुका है।
एक और अहम खबर है, भारत से तनाव पर पीओके में जबरदस्त दहशत है। पीओके में राशन सब्जी इकट्ठा करने के निर्देश।
गोस्वामी बोल रहे हो, मैं बता रहा हूं तुम नहीं बचोगे, तुम नहीं बचोगे भैया।
The war has begun. The war has begun. The war has begun.
बोलो जंजुआ।
Not in reality, but in the newsrooms in India and Pakistan. It's 12 days since Pahalgam attack, and after that, the kind of rhetoric that we have seen on the news channels on both sides of the border can make one believe that the war has actually begun.
है, अकेला पड़ चुका है, और ऐसे में इसी के चलते लगातार पाकिस्तान की उम्मीदें टूटती जा रही, कॉन्फिडेंस जीरो होता जा रहा है, क्योंकि
A few minutes in front of the television set, and one is left wondering whether these television channels are the new war rooms of India and Pakistan. The kind of strategies that are discussed there by the veterans, the kind of statements that are made by the anchors, and the kind of graphics that are used can leave a viewer puzzled. Away from the ground reality, the TV studios seem like war rooms.
बोलो जंजुआ।
हलवाई लगते हो, फकत से जनरल लगते नहीं हो। हरकतें तुम्हारी ये हैं कि भांड हो। मैं तुम्हारी उम्र का।
अरे चुप रुक जा यार, ठीक से बात कर, ठीक से बात कर, ठीक से बात कर जंजुआ, ठीक से बात कर जंजुआ।
Most discerning viewers of news channels across the world have seen the way the Russian and the Ukraine war was covered. We've also seen the conflict of Israel and Hamas being reported by different channels. But the kind of jingoism that one is seeing now on the Indian channels and even in the Pakistani channels actually can make one wonder whether is this the kind of journalism that one wants to see.
मोमिन कल भी जज्बा जिहाद से लड़ता था, मोमिन आज भी जज्बा जिहाद से सरशार है। दुश्मन से लड़ने के लिए तैयार है, धूल चटाने के लिए बेकरार है। से तनाव पर पीओके में जबरदस्त दहशत है। पीओके में राशन सब्जी इकट्ठा करने के निर्देश दिए गए हैं।
पीओके के मदरसों होटलों में सेना तैनात, लोगों को 2 महीने का राशन जमा करने के निर्देश।
So next time around, if you hear anything and everything, remember only some of it is true and some of it is just hype. Vijay Grover, Bangalore.
ज्यादा बोलो मत, हिम्मत नहीं है तुम्हारी की जनरल बख्शी के साथ। एक मिनट, ए जंजुआ, जरा सीधे तुम्हारे लेवल में आके जवाब दूंगा ना, तब पता चलेगा।
जब तेरे कपड़े उतार के तुझे सोटियों से मारा था,
इसकी जो मुझे ना,
अरे चुप रहे।
Post the Pahalgam terror attack, the kind of frenzy that one is seeing in the television news channels has actually come as a bailout for several television news channels, which had seen a steady decline in the viewership ratings and the way it had dipped after the 2024 elections. The last 1 week has given them a boost in viewership and ratings. While the channels may be able to make some money out of it, or at least ensure that they do not sink, but there is something called viewer responsibility, because any panic that is created in the TV studios certainly has an impact in the real world, more like the way it is on social media. And that's where editorial discretions become very crucial as to what needs to be said on air and what should not be said on air. It's not that the hype and the tamasha is on the Indian part of the border. Even Pakistani television channels have been doing the same. A reason why the government of India had to enforce ban on several of these channels so that their misinformation does not seep into India.
नाज़रीन, तादाद कभी जीत की जमानत नहीं होती, ये मुसलमान रोजे अव्वल से जानता है। गज़वा गुजरे बदर का हो या फिर आने वाले हिंद का, जमीनी बुतों को।
And this is despite the fact that the government of India had given strict guidelines which put several restrictions on television channels on what should be said on air and what should not be said on air.